Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. Thank you.
Good morning po, magandang buhay, happy birthday sa mga July celebrant. Thank you, Pastor, for your time and belated happy birthday. Susunod na po yung regalo. Thank you, Romy, Mr. Maraya, yung mga kasama niya nag-set up this morning. Romy, kasi wala ako rito kanina, yung mga kasama natin.
Una-una po pasalamatan ni si Mr. Roding Caringal. Where are you? Siya po ang pinaka-main kuha natin dito, director ng opening. Kasumama po si John Una. Then Fred Kalukag was here this morning. Cesar Galasi. And who else was here this morning? I think that's it. Did I miss anybody? Bosses, SIS bosses. And who else? The rest will follow later. So thank you very much for your time. Next month po na naman, the same place, the same occasion. Meron lang po akong konting comment. Most likely, nawal po ng kuryente kanina. But unfortunately, we were able to go ahead and start the Mass. But please, I would like to announce again, si Pastor po na late ng 5 minutes. Kaya lang po mga parishioners na late po ng mga half an hour, 45 minutes. Let's be on time. Please naman, 1 hour a month. Yun lang po hinihingi namin na pumunta naman kayo dito ng on time. Kasi si Pastor kasama niya po si Jesus. Hindi po sila maghihintay sa inyo. Okay? Kaya nga sabi nga nila, we have to have our daily bread, be here on time. Thank you.
Thank you sa mga tumulong. Maraming salamat din kay Chris na nag-order at saka pumikap ng ating pagkain. At saka maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat. Bago po tayo kumain, mayroon daw sasabihin ng ating Comelec Chairman.